Okay. So, good morning, all of you.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Uh, I think I have given some homeworks previous day. Hope you all have done. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yes, who is it? Yeah. Tell me. What is the problem? Hmm?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. I asked everybody to take out the homework which was given. Okay, we shall discuss it. Some word problems were given. No, did you notice it? Have sent in WhatsApp. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we shall discuss that. After that, we'll pass on to the division of fractions.
Fractions.
Okay, I think multiplication is over by that day, isn't it? Multiplication is over. Now we shall pass on to the division of fractions. So I hope everybody have come. So let's start. Okay. Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You see the board? Yeah. They are entering. That's why in between students are entering. It is difficult for me. Share screen. Now. Miss, can you see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you can
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Okay. Let's check.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just want to take the just wait. Okay, this was the homework. Now, can you see the board, children? All of you can see?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So just see this. This was the board. This was the homework which was given. Now, we will see how it is done. Okay. So many are entering. Yeah. So what was it? Sally plants means she planted 4 saplings in a row in her garden, and the distance between 2 saplings is 3 by 4 meter. 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between first and last sapling. What did you get as answer? How did you answer, or what did
9
you
by
get?
4. 9 by 4.
It was, you got 9 by 4, isn't it?
Yeah.
How many of you got it? All of you got?
No.
No. So,
Yes, ma'am.
huh?
I did not go.
You didn't. So anyway, in the limited space, I'll explain the homework, explain it. Now you have to understand the theme inside that, and you have to do it yourself. Okay, whatever it is. If you didn't get, I'll explain. See, what is the first thing? Sally plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. Okay, that is the question. So let the saplings be here. See, this be the saplings. I'm drawing like this. One sapling, the next one, okay, then the next one. How many saplings he planted? 4.
4.
4, isn't it? So, what is the distance between each distance between each sapling
3
is
by 4
3 by
By
4.
4
3
meter.
by 4. Okay.
3 by
3
4.
by 4. So from here, between first two 3 by 4 meter, again next one 3 by 4 meter, again next one 3 by 4 meter, isn't it? The gap between two saplings is 3 by 4 meter. That means what is it actually? What is the distance? So question is, find the distance between first and the last sapling. So what is it? First and the last sapling means from here to this plus this plus this, isn't it? Hmm? That means what is it? 3 times 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
just came now. Can you explain one more time?
Excuse me, who is it? Okay, that I was explaining the homework. Did you do the homework?
Hessa.
Okay, ma'am.
That's it. So you got the answer. 9 by 4 is the answer. We have to convert into mixed fraction. So I have planted 4 plants here. Okay, see this. 4 plants are there. The distance between each one is 3 by 4 meter. So 3 into distance from first one to the last one is 3 into 3 by 4. So what we will get? 3 into 3, 9. 9 by 4 you got, isn't it? Divide 9 by 4, what we will get? 4 twos are 8. Balance 1. So what the answer? Final answer? 2 and
2 1 by 4.
1 by 4 meter. This is the answer given in the text. 3, 2 and 1 by 4 meter. Isn't it?
Sankita, ma'am.
Yes, hello.
In the notes you gave, and there was no explanation for the like fractions, unlike fractions, and all.
Yes, it was there. Beginning.
Huh?
In the
You
beginning,
gave the
I have given.
definition.
Huh?
Yes, in the beginning you give.
Yes, yes. In the beginning, I have given the definitions also with one page of the text. Not our text, it's a private textbook. In that, everything is discussed. First page itself, first one. If you want, I'll send once more the first page to you. You have to ask me in your WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, today we'll send the notes.
Notes means I have already sent this. In the beginning, I have sent. This one I'll send in website. Okay, together. After completing this chapter, together the notes will be sent.
Today you'll send.
Which one you are asking? Today's notes. Listen, one more thing. Better you, good you have asked this. See, you have to take down all the notes in the class itself. Okay. It's very difficult to take the pictures, cut it short and send every day. Okay. So just like we do in the class, you have to note down all the every problems in the rough book. Okay. And rewrite
Okay,
neatly
ma'am.
in your note. It's not possible, and the phone, you know, max notes, so much is there. Not like other subjects. We are doing lot of problems. All that I cannot
And
send.
some teachers are sending it together.
So this one better. Don't do like that. I'll upload the notes. Notes only, important points in the website, and important points in the WhatsApp also. But problems, whatever we are doing in the class, you have to write in a rough book. Write it neatly in the notebook. These problems, word problems, you have to write it in the notebook.
Ma'am, Emelina
Only
is
word
saying
problems.
you are not letting her in.
Yes.
Emelina is saying you are not letting her in.
Okay. So all the notes clear, children? This one point I wanted to explain to you. Every day it's not possible to send each and every problem to you. Okay. So whatever we are doing in the class, write down in the rough book and copy it neatly to the notebook. Okay. Heard all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Hereafter only important points will be sent in the WhatsApp. So these problems you have to write down in the note. Fill in the blanks you leave. Only these 4 word problems you have to write down in the note. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
questions will be sent, right? Answers we have to copy from the book, right?
Questions, these questions are there in your text already. I have sent already questions as homework.
I'm asking about the next word problems.
Next word problems, that questions I can send.
Okay, ma'am.
Questions, you write it down, and in the rough book you write it down into questions. I'll send. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Printed ones I'll send. Okay. The notes, problems it is difficult to send always.
Yeah, answers we will copy from the notes.
Yes.
Answers we have to copy from the notes, right?
You see every day what you do in the class, ordinary class, that you have to do. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
like that. Then write it neatly in the note. So now next problem. Okay, can you answer Gauri Parvati? What is the next question's answer? Yes,
Ma'am, Lipika, right?
loudly.
And
This question,
ten
Deepika reads
2 by
a book
4.
for 1 and 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the
10 2
entire,
by 4.
how much?
10 2 by 4.
10?
2 by 4.
2 by 4 you got. Okay. So we can cut short it little more because you will be getting confused in the text. It is given 10 and 1 by 2, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'll explain. I'll explain. Better I'll just.
Ma'am, you just started the class now?
Yeah, just discussing the homework. Why?
Okay. Ma'am, I just joined now. I thought room number.
Just I have discussed the first problem. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
I've just discussed the first problem. The answer is 2 and 1 by 4 meter. Next one I'm going to explain. Yeah.
Ma'am is Yadi saying to let him in.
Okay.
And why
See,
are we
they have
changing
to-
it into the mixed fraction in the first question?
First one, questions are given in mixed fraction. So this one, anyway, you have to convert into mixed fraction when you write the answer. I just explained because in the text, the answer is given like that. Okay, Anand.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. So we can write it in improper.
Don't write 9 by 4, you don't write. You have to convert and write the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
In the exam also, when improper fraction comes, you have to convert and write into mixed fraction. Okay. Now, next you read, Deepika reads a book for 1 and 3 by 4 hours daily. She reads the entire book in 6 hours. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book?
I'm at 6
So what
days.
is
10 1 by 2.
You got 10
10
and
1 by 2.
10 and 2 by 4 you got, that can be converted into 10 and 1 by 2. I'll explain. Steps are important. Time spent by Lipika for reading a book. First step you write like that. What did you write first step?
Time
Time
Required
spent
for
by
reading the book every day.
spent by Lipika for reading a book. Time spent by Lipika for reading a book 1 and 3 by 4 hours. Then number of days taken by her to read the entire book.
6 days.
6 days. Then next step, number of hours required by Lipika to read the whole book.
Ma'am, for time spent for Deepika, we have to write 1 3 by 4.
Or time required you can write, because
We have to write
hours,
1 3 by 4, right?
hours is asked. That's why it is written like that. Number of hours required by Lipika to read the book. How much it is? 6 into 1 and 3 by 4.
1 3 by 4.
1
So
3
we'll do it 6 into 1 and 3 by 4. Isn't it? 6 into 1 and 3 by 4. So we'll convert 1 and 3 by 4 into
7 by 4.
7
to
by
the
4.
improper
7
fraction.
by 4. 7 by 4.
Yeah, this one.
7
1
into
1
6
into 4, 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. So we get 6 into 7 by 4. 6 into 7 by 4. Isn't it? So
Yes.
we can convert. It
So
as,
7 into 6 by 4.
we can reduce it and then do. We can reduce it.
21
6 and 4 common factor is there, no? 6 and 4 common factor is there. What is the common factor?
2.
So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Isn't it? Did you understand?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I have written in your mind, you have to do this very easily. You can do. Okay. Listen, I have done it like this. Take the common factor and you can reduce it. Otherwise also no problem. You can do it like this. What was it? 6 by 4. Isn't it?
6 by 4.
Yeah, 6 by 4. I wrote it like this. It is 6 into 7 by 4. That I can write it as 6 by 4 into 7. Any problem?
Yes.
No.
No, ma'am.
So 2 is the common factor. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4.
3
So
by
what
2.
we will
3 by
get?
2.
So 3 by
2 7 by 2. That is 21 by 2.
21 by 2.
21 by 2 you divide, what will you get? You will get 10 and
1 by 2.
10 1 by 2.
and 1 by 2 hours. Answer. 10 and 1 by 2 hours is the answer.
Answer.
10 and 1 by 2 hours is the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next problem. Next problem we'll see. Now let me remove all these things. It is dropped away, so, okay. Yeah. Okay. Next one.
A car
Next
runs.
one. A car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. Okay. So for 1 liter of petrol, how much it runs? 16 kilometers. What distance will it cover using, I think this,
2 3 by 4.
yeah, 2 and 3 by 4. 2 and 3 by 4 liters of petrol.
2 3 by 4
Yeah.
into 16.
Car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 and 3 by 4 liters of petrol? So what to do?
Multiplication.
2 3 by 4
4
into
into
16.
16. Okay, 2 3 by 4 into 16. So the steps, I'll read out the steps. First step, distance covered by the car using 1 liter of petrol. That is the first step. If you want to write the step, that you have to take down. Okay, distance covered by the car using 1 liter of petrol is equal to 16 kilometers. Then distance covered by using
1 minute.
2 3 by 4 liters.
2 3 by 4
3
liters
by
of
4
petrol.
liters. Again, you need not write car, by car. By car we have written once, isn't it? So, distance covered by using 2 and 3 by 4 liters. That is equal to 2 3 by 4 into 16.
16.
Is equal to 2 and 3 by 4 into 16. 2 and 3 by 4 into 16. So, we can change it into
Reduced form.
improper
11 by
fraction,
4.
isn't it?
11 by
So, what will you get?
11 by 4
11 by 4.
11 by
11 by
4
4 into 16.
into 16.
So, you do one thing, instead of multiplying this both 11 into 16, we can, that is a easy method I have explained, no, before.
Yes.
We can cut short this and this. Before that, we will write it like this, 16 by 4. You know 16 by 4, what is the answer?
4.
11 into 4. Answer is 44. You got the answer easily, isn't it? Kilometer. Okay. Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Like by 4, I can write under this 16 also, no problem. Both, it is affecting both. Okay. Denominator is for both. Same for both. So 16, I divide 16 first with 4. So what I will get? I will get 4. Now multiply with 4. 44 I got. Easily I got the answer, isn't it? Otherwise, if you are going to multiply with 11, then divide, it will take time. Okay. So always go for the easy methods. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we shall pass on to the next problem.
Provide the number in the box.
Okay. Now, next one. Next one. Yeah. Okay, then the remaining is, I think, fill in the blanks. That is easy, no? Provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 into
8
box.
by 10.
What is the
5 by
answer?
10.
8 by 10.
5 by 10.
By 10.
5 by 10.
5 by 10.
5 by 10.
5 by 10. Because 2 into 5 is 10.
10.
Then 3 into 10 is
10 is 30.
10. Okay. So, what is the simplest form of the number of 2?
1 by 2.
2.
1 by 2.
5 by 10. What is the simplest form? What is the common factor?
5.
5. 5. So, divide both by 5. 10, no? Here it is 10. So, common factor is 5.
1 by 2.
So, divide by 5. Both you divide by 5. What will you get? 5 divided by 1. 5.
1 by 2.
1 by
Ma'am,
2.
1 by 2.
ma'am,
Answer.
this
Yes.
fill in the blanks we know it right.
Louder, please. I can't hear.
Ma'am, it's fill in the
He's
blanks we
asking
need
that fill in the blanks we have to write.
No. I told you. No need to write. Fill in the blanks and all. No need to write. Only the word problems you have to write in the note.
Can you repeat some connection problems was there? So this question, can you repeat?
Which one? This question. Fill in the blanks. Hello?
Box.
Box.
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to repeat again? Repeat this problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now listen. We have chalk eraser. Yeah. I'll take red. Now listen. This box we have to fill. That is this one. What 2 into what is 10? Provide the number in the box.
5.
Such 2 into
5.
5. That 5 you write. By 3 into what is 30?
10.
10.
So we got, what is the number in the box? 5 by
5 by 10.
Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, the simplest form of the number obtained. What is the simplest form of number obtained in the box is? What is the number obtained in the box?
1 by 2.
5 by 10. Isn't it? So its simplest form is asked. So what we have to do? 5 by 10 we will take. What is the common factor?
HCF.
5.
Highest common factor. Common
5.
factor. What do you mean by
1 by
highest common
1 by 2.
factor? What do you mean by highest common factor? It is the number,
HCF.
highest number with which you can divide both 5 and 10 completely. Clear? What is HCF? Highest common number with which you can divide both
number
5
completely.
and 10 completely. Which is that number?
5.
5.
Divide by 5.
5.
5. Okay. So what will you get? 5 divided by 5?
1 by 2.
10 divided by 5?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So the simplest form of 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. I have taught reduced form of the fraction, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Reduced to simplest form that I have taught in the beginning. Reduce the fraction to the simplest form. How will you do it? Now again in higher class also the same problem is there for children. They find it difficult to reduce the fraction. Always take highest common factor and reduce. If you take highest common factor, then you will get the reduced form, simplest form. If you take any other number again and again, you have to divide and make it small. Okay, that's it. So half is the answer. Is it clear? Who asked me the doubt?
By
Who
HCF
asked me
also,
to
right?
explain again? Did you understand? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we'll pass on to the next question. Next one is, see the next question. Okay. Provide the number in the box. Same thing. 3 by 5 is equal to 24 by 75. What is it?
8 by 15.
By 15.
What is
8 by
it?
15.
8 by
5
15.
into 15. So you got 8 by
8 by
15.
15.
8 by 15.
Next question is, it's not seen here, but
8
next
by
question,
15.
find the simplest
Same.
form of the number.
15.
8 by 15.
8 by 15.
This one, we cannot simplify more, no? It is in the simplest form. When do we call a fraction is in the simplest form? When there is no common
No
factor between
common factors between them.
Is there any common factor between 8 and 15?
No.
This itself is the simplest form.
Simplest form.
Okay. So 8
Okay,
by
ma'am.
15 is the simplest form. Clear, children?
Simplest
Yes,
form.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
So shall we pass
Yes,
on to the
ma'am.
next topic, division of fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that there is a, yes?
Yes,
There is a
yes,
small- Okay. There is a small topic called reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction. I'll explain what it is. We'll go back to the share screen itself. I have to take. I hope everybody have come. I want to take the attendance. Okay, let me check. 41 participants are there. Yes, 42 I think the strength is. Almost all are
44.
there. Yes.
44 the strength.
44 is the strength, yes. Okay. So I think only 3 are absent today. 51. So good. Now we'll be going back to the board. You can see the board, no, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am.
But it's the time thing. But it's that
Okay. So just see this. You can see the board, no, children?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see this. Reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction.
Mama should write.
Hmm? Yeah, write down. Write down. This is the note. Okay, this one. Anyway, I'll send, but write it in the rough book. Whatever I'm giving, write it in the rough book. Fast, okay? Don't take more time. Write it roughly, fast. And you can rewrite in the note. Reciprocal of a fraction. A non-zero number whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocals of each other. A non-zero number whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocals of each other.
Yes.
Yeah. What is it? Look, this is simple. Reciprocal of 5 by 9 is 9 by 5. Just put it upside down.
9
That's
by
all.
5.
Okay. Numerator will become the denominator. Denominator will become the numerator. That's all. Okay.
Yes.
So what is it? What is the reciprocal? What is meant by the reciprocal? Reciprocal means when you multiply two fractions, you should get 1 as its answer. How will you get 1? Because it should be opposite, no? 5 by 9. Multiply it by just opposite 9 by 5.
the answer will be 1 by
1. Answer will be 1.
1 by 1.
Such fractions can be called as reciprocals to each other. Listen here, see this example given. 5 by 9 into 9 by 5 is equal to 1. Isn't it? So we can say the reciprocal of 5 by 9 is what? 9 by 5. Okay, like that. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 1?
1 by 2.
2.
2. 9 by 4?
4 by 9.
4 by 3?
3 by 4. By 4.
6 by 5?
5 by 6.
5 by 6.
Now you have to write down this. You know to write down, no? Just take the questions,
Finish, ma'am.
answer it in the note.
Okay.
Just put it upside down, that's all. So what is meant by reciprocal? When you multiply two fractions, if we are getting the answer 1, say that 1 is the reciprocal of the other. Clear? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so reciprocals is clear. Now we take the next one. Division of whole number by a fraction. What is it? Division of
By a whole number.
by a fraction. We are going to divide a whole number by a fraction. Or a fraction by a whole number. Now, this is division of whole number by a fraction. So, let us see what it is. To divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. What is
We
it?
should write this.
Just take down. Write down. To divide a whole number by any fraction,
Multiply the whole number.
Write fast, okay? Roughly you write. Neatly you can write in the note later. Only these points I will be sending just to clarify your doubts, okay? While writing the sentences, if any doubt is there, you can clear. Problems I will not send.
Yes, ma'am.
To divide a whole number by any fraction, what do you have to do? Multiply that whole number by reciprocal of that fraction. Reciprocal of that fraction. Okay. So, clear children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Now, next one. If you are going to divide a whole number by a mixed fraction, if you are going to divide a whole number by, always fractions need not be improper fraction or proper fraction. It can come as mixed fraction also. Yes? Who is it?
Ma'am, do you will send these notes?
These notes, printed ones I will send.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
problems you have to write down in the class itself. Okay. Yes, children?
Okay,
But
ma'am.
now you write it roughly.
Yes.
Roughly you write. Okay. What is it? While dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction,
Ma'am, can you
convert
repeat before
the
slide?
mixed fraction. Rules. All the rules I'll be sending in the WhatsApp. Rules. Okay. That is
Ma'am.
just to clarify the doubt of
Sangeeta,
what you have
ma'am.
written. Problems you have to take down in the class itself. Okay.
Sangeeta, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Gauri is calling you.
Slide
Gauri,
before.
what happened?
Saying
Can you
that
show the before
show
slide?
the
Which one? Previous one.
yes.
No. Okay. Previous one, this one. To divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction.
Reciprocal of the fraction.
Reciprocal of that fraction.
Reciprocal of that fraction.
Okay, clear?
Can you
Yes,
show the
ma'am.
next slide?
Now next one was, while dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, while dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction,
Convert the mixed fraction into
convert the mixed
improper
fraction into improper fraction and solve it.
Solve
Solve it means
Ma'am, we
multiply
should
by the
write this in
reciprocal.
notes.
That's it.
Ma'am, we should write this in notes.
Yes, you have to write. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see what is the next. Okay, that is another topic. So now we'll do some problems related to this. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
so
ma'am.
we'll go back to the board. Yeah.
fraction and fold.
Okay. So we can first change the color of the board. This. I purchased a new board at home. Okay.
Ma'am, it's your
Because
home.
of, yes. Can you hear
I
me?
thought it's
Heavy
cold.
rain is heavy rain this here. Is it
Ma'am,
raining
that
there?
is your home.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you
I
are
thought
in
it's
school,
cold.
right?
Yeah,
thought
now I am at school. Now I am at school.
I thought you were my
I thought you're at home now
No,
and
at
taking
home I
class from there.
purchased a board. Okay, I couldn't use it. By that time, it was asked to come here. That's why. Okay, so now we'll do some problems related to that, what we have studied. Can you hear me, children? It's
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
raining
ma'am.
heavily here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll answer it. Some questions we can answer based on what we have studied. First rule was, first we are going to division of fractions. Dividing a whole number by a fraction.
Fraction.
You can write the heading like that. Dividing a whole number, write the heading. Dividing a whole number by a fraction.
Fraction.
Yeah, dividing a whole number by a fraction. So, dividing
Whole number by a fraction.
whole number
By fraction.
By a fraction.
by a fraction. Fraction. Okay. So first one is 2 dividing a whole number by a fraction. 3 by 4. 2 divided by 3 by 4. What is asked to do? What is the rule?
We have to divide.
Divide.
We have to
Sorry,
divide 2
multiplicate.
by 3 by 4.
Fraction with fraction. We should convert it in
Multiply by the
proper
reciprocal of the
Multiply
fraction.
the reciprocal.
Reciprocal of it.
What is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? 4 by 3.
4 by 3.
So what you have to do? 2 is same,
Two by-
no change. Don't change that, okay? Which one you have? This is
Question, you are tasked to change the
this is
reciprocal.
the dividend. Isn't it? You know, dividend, divisor, quotient, etc. You know that, right? Which is divided, that is known as dividend. Which is with which you are dividing, that is known as divisor. And the answer is known as the quotient. And what you get balance is known as remainder. Remainder. Isn't it? Remainder, not reminder, remainder. Okay. So this 3 by 4's reciprocal is what? 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So just multiply with its reciprocal. Okay. What will you get?
8 by 3.
It is
8 by 3.
3. So now tell me what is the answer for the next question. Okay. Okay. It is 5 divided by 2 by 9. 5 divided by 2 by 9. What is the answer?
45 by 2.
45 by 2.
Answer is, so what will you do? Multiply by 9 by 2. Answer is 45 by
40 by 2.
by 2. You can convert into fixed fraction and write. Otherwise, you can leave it there now. Next one, there is no time, that's why. Okay. So 7 divided by 2 by 5. 7 divided by 2 by 5. What will you get?
Ma'am, our time is to 11 by 5, right?
35 by 2.
5 by 2.
Answer is 7 into 5 by 2.
5 by 2.
35 by 2.
35 by 2.
35 by 2. Is it
35 by
clear,
2.
children? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Some more questions are there. We'll do it.
Ma'am, Pranav is saying that he can't hear you.
Yes?
Pranav is saying that he can't hear you.
Ma'am, up to when our time is?
11:30.
11:30.
11:30. Okay. That's it. No problem. I'll finish this topic, then I'll stop. Now one more question you write. 6 divided by 4 by 7. What is the answer?
By 42
2 by 4.
42 by 4.
42 by 4. So 6 into 7 by 4 we have to do. Answer is 42 by
42 by
4.
7.
Okay. If you want, you can convert
4.
into mixed fraction and write the answer. Next question, 2 divided by 8 by 9. What is the answer?
18 by 8.
18 by
18
8.
by 8.
So we get 2 into 9 by 8. Answer is 18 by
8.
Okay. Problems I am not going to send. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You write down in the class and rewrite in the note. Now next rule was, what was the next rule? I told you. When you have to divide a whole number by a
Dividing fraction by a
first you have to convert into
convert the mixed
improper fraction.
Proper fraction, then solve it.
So that is, now I'll give a problem. Check. 4 divided by 2 and 2 by 5. What is it? 4 divided by 2 and 2 by 5. Find out the
You
answer.
have to change into improper.
First you change this into improper fraction. What is it? 4 divided by
12
by 2. By 5.
12 by
5.
5. Isn't it?
20
So
by
what we
12.
get?
20 by 12.
20 by 12.
By 12. 20 by 12.
Answer is
20 by 2.
By 12.
12. Reduce it and write. Okay. Or convert it and write. What will you get when you convert? 12 one time.
10 by
No?
6.
One time. Then you will get balance
Yes,
8
sir.
by 12.
5
Okay.
by 3.
Yeah.
5 by 3.
You can reduce again. Now next one more question. 5 divided by 3 and 1 by 3. What is the answer?
3. 1 by 3. Okay.
15 by 10.
15 by 10.
Yes.
10.
15 by 10. Good. Because 5 divided by what we have to write? Convert it into 9. 9 plus 1, 10.
Divide by
Isn't it?
10 by 3.
By 10.
Okay. Yes.
So 5 into
By
3 by
10.
10
Yeah.
equals 15 by 10.
5
Into
divided by 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10 by
10 by
so we have to
by
do
3.
5 into 3
5
by
into 3 by 10.
Divided by 5.
by 10.
3 by 10.
You can reduce it. Okay.
Get
3 by 2.
3 by
3 by
2 will
2.
get. When you reduce, common factor is 5, no? So what will get?
3 by
3
2.
by
3 by 2.
3 by
3 by 2. Okay. Okay, children. So hope you all
Yes.
have understood. It's 11:30
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just
Thank you,
stop
ma'am.
there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
So our
Thank you,
division, now division of whole numbers is over. Whole numbers by a fraction is over. Next topic will be division of a fraction by another fraction. That is simple. Just do the reciprocal and multiply same way. Okay. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.